Meaning of fatalistically.
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 Fatalistically. The term fatalistically refers to a belief that events are determined in advance and therefore inevitable. It suggests that people have no control over their destiny, and that outcomes are predetermined by forces beyond their control. This type of thinking can lead individuals to feel resigned or helpless in the face of negative circumstances. Fatalistic attitudes may also discourage proactive behaviors such as planning, problem-solving, or taking risks. In summary, the fatalistic worldview sees events as predetermined, and therefore unlikely to be influenced by human choices or actions.